Kamiyah was sold out when Kamiyah dropped, okay? Just because everybody else love her don't mean I love her, but it might mean I do love her. There ain't no spoiler alert, so we just gonna have to figure it out.
Minute without you, I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back. Boo, let's go ahead and get it popping. Kamiyah was sold out when Kamiyah dropped, okay? Kamiyah has been a YouTube wig reviewer's fave. I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about Kamiyah, so we just gonna have to figure it out. Kamiyah is from Outre. It's from one of their melted hairline collections. It's a lace front wig. It's supposed to have a frontal effect hairline. No plucking required, so they say baby hairs included. Pre-attached wide elastic band, which I don't care too much for. You can use heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The color I have written is DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey. I would say that the lace up against my skin is okay. Of course, we're gonna have to tint this baby down. The first thing that I did was I tinted the lace with my even tint spray in the color medium dark brown. All the items or products that I use to style this unit will always be listed in the description box below, so you can just click it and get directly to it if you're interested. I can see that it does fit. It is ear to ear. I have a 22.5 circumference size head, so if you're somewhere around that, this is similar to how it may fit on you. I had to go in and pluck this part. I tried to just initially put some powder on it thinking it was going to be okay, but definitely not. This part is super tight and it just looked kind of messy just trying to throw powder on it on its own. I wanted to shift her to the left side to kind of give her some oomph or whatever, because I felt like she looked a little plain in the middle, and I do like it like this much better. Now my Aussie Freeze spray is my best friend, because I'm just gonna have to say that thing dries so quick. I do not need to use a blow dryer with it. As soon as I spray on the lace, it starts to like dry really quick. Like, I'm telling you, that stuff is amazing and it's cheaper than got to be glued. So that's what I'm sick with for now.
I've been on the road, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah.
Let me go ahead and give you the cons really quick and get it out the way. Now, I already mentioned one of them to you already, and that was the parting space was really tight. So yeah, they need to fix that. Now, the hairline is actually really pretty looking, but as you can see, it looks like a straight line across. So I would say you would definitely have to go in there and just pluck a little bit in front of the hairline just to kind of give it that jagged look so it's not so straight. Or you could just cut it a little bit better than I did and kind of give you that jagged cut. I tried to do it, but it didn't come out all that great. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about. I think that is like the main con with the shoe in it. The rest of it is minimum and more like opinions. So the next thing is going to be the tangling. She definitely has some tangling with her. It's actually not that bad. It's pretty mild, but it's definitely there, especially when you first initially like try to get her style straight out of the pack. Now the second thing is I'm not feeling how the curls are setting towards the front of the face. This side is okay now that I kind of made it the left side part, but this side is like every once in a while the curls will kind of like flip and do like wonky stuff, and I hate that. I do not like when it does not cooperate. Everywhere else is fine, but when it's like right there in front of your face, you kind of just want it to do what it's gonna do, because that's your picture right there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna move into a few good things now. The texture on this unit is actually pretty bomb. This is a nice soft yaki unit. It's super soft, y'all. We're getting a full nice body, but at the same time it's still lightweight, so we don't have to worry about that weight and the heaviness of the unit. I think that the color is absolutely gorgeous. I'm absolutely in love with the color on this unit. The overall style of the unit, I'm okay with. I'm not in love with it. I'm okay with it. I think she's okay. She's pretty. She falls into the category of the Seraphines and the Kamoras and the Glorianas and stuff like that. They all kind of have a similar kind of style, but me personally, I would have kind of liked if the layers would have came up a little bit higher. As you can see, like, she's doing wonky stuff in the front, like I said, on that side too. But like I said, that's my opinion. Somebody might love this style exactly how it is. As you can see, a lot of YouTubers and a lot of wig reviewers already do. So that's just me. I'm just not a super big fan of this style. Now, overall, I would have to say they did do their thing with the shooting. The main thing that I really wasn't feeling was how tight that parting space is. I mean, for it to be part of the Melted Hairline collection, you know, we spent a little bit of extra coin than we would with like a $20 unit. I felt like they should have kind of came a little better with that parting space so we could have a little bit less work to do in that area. I would definitely say she is a beginner friendly wig still. However, there's not much you need to do to her. You know what I'm saying? If you know how to melt, get your melt on, but you don't need it, honestly, because she looks good even without being melted down. Like, this part is just sitting on my skin and it looks good anyway. As far as the coin, I would definitely spend my coin on a style like this. When it, not the style, like, you know, the quality and all of that put together stuff. You know what I'm talking about, y'all. Don't come for me. You just say you ain't like the style. I don't really, not really. I mean, I have her, so I'll wear her for right now. I'll take her off when the video is done, clean her up, get her ready for a wig sale, because I don't really think I'm going to be wearing any more of her. Like I said, Kamiyah's okay in my opinion. I've been waiting forever trying to see what the hype was about, and I ain't really all that hype. She just alright. She's okay. You know what I'm saying? The best thing with this unit is the qualities it has being part of the Melted Hairline collection. But other than that, she alright. I ain't really too big on Kamiyah. But yeah, that's it. That is my thoughts on Miss Kamiyah. Please let me know what you think about Kamiyah. How does she look on me? Do you think you will rock her? Have you rocked her? Do you like her? What is your thoughts on Kamiyah? Am I the only one who don't like her like that? Let me know in the comment section below. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video on up. So I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.